How do I send Bitcoin on Venmo to another wallet? Hook, have you ever wondered if you can send Bitcoin from Venmo to another wallet? It's a question that's popped up more and more as Bitcoin's popularity has grown. Let's dive into it and find out the truth. Context: Venmo, we all know it, right? It's the app that's made sending money to friends and family a breeze. But what about sending Bitcoin? Is it possible? And if so, how do you do it? The short answer, unfortunately, as of now, you can't directly send Bitcoin from Venmo to another wallet. Venmo primarily focuses on traditional fiat currencies like USD. But why not? There are a few reasons for this. Regulatory compliance: Venmo operates under specific regulations, and sending cryptocurrencies might require additional licenses or compliance measures that they haven't yet implemented. Technical infrastructure: integrating cryptocurrency functionality into an existing platform like Venmo can be complex and requires specialized technology. Market focus: Venmo's primary focus seems to be on peer-to-peer payments and mobile commerce, rather than cryptocurrency transactions. So, what are your options? Even though you can't send Bitcoin directly from Venmo, there are still ways to achieve your goal. Here are a few options. Use a cryptocurrency exchange. Create an account, sign up for a reputable cryptocurrency exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or Gemini. Transfer funds: from your Venmo account, transfer money to your bank account. Then, use that money to buy Bitcoin on the exchange. Send Bitcoin: once you have Bitcoin, you can easily send it to any Bitcoin wallet address. Peer-to-peer platforms. Local Bitcoins: this platform connects buyers and sellers of Bitcoin. You can find someone nearby who's willing to sell you Bitcoin for cash or Venmo. Paxful: similar to local Bitcoins, Paxful allows you to buy and sell Bitcoin using various payment methods, including Venmo. Important considerations. Security: when dealing with cryptocurrencies, security is paramount. Always use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be wary of scams. Fees: be aware of the fees associated with different platforms. Some exchanges or peer-to-peer platforms might charge transaction fees or conversion fees. Regulations: cryptocurrency regulations can vary from country to country. Make sure you're aware of the laws in your jurisdiction. Conclusion: while Venmo doesn't currently support direct Bitcoin transactions, there are still viable options available. By understanding the alternatives and taking necessary precautions, you can safely send Bitcoin from Venmo to another wallet. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.